Hello, and welcome to Shortcut Up CNC. Today we're going to talk about the Easy Line Type Maker gadget. It consists of several gadgets that will create different type lines that you can use within your part drawings or your creations. That's the center line maker, which creates this type of line, and then the dash line maker creates this type of line. Divided line maker creates that type of line, and then the dotted line maker creates that type of line. And then we have the hidden line maker, which creates this type of line. So each one of these lines, it can be created with a certain gadget being used. And it's from a polyline, whether it be vertical or horizontal. It does not matter. It will create whatever line or get that gadget you're using. Line gadget. So let's go up here and I'm going to get rid of delete all visible and its data. And I want to leave that. And we're going to create these lines using the gadgets. First, we have a center line maker. So I'm going to go to the design here and I'm going to get me a polyline and I'm going to draw a line for a certain distance and then hit the space bar to end it. Now I'm going to close this and I'm going to go to the gadget. Easy line type maker, and I want the center line maker. Boom, it created the center line and they're overlapping each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the original line that was drawn. And the easy way to do that would be to delete the whole line. You have to know whereabouts. You notice I zoomed in and then looked at it and put my cursor right at the blank area. So now my original line is gone and I have the center line maker gadget that created that line. Now we're going to create the dash line next. We go to the Easy Gadget line type maker and we get the dash. Of course, now it's saying I need a line, which I have forgotten to put down. Every time you do this, you've got to create a line. Or have a bunch of lines already made. Copy, paste, select it. Whoop, I still have my polyline tool. Okay, now it's selected. Just move it down. Now we go copy, paste, move that one down. Copy, paste, move that one down. Now we have a line for each one. Excuse me. I highlight the vector that I want, go to the gadget, easy line type, dash line. Now I go here, grab the solid highlighted line and delete it. And there we have our dash line. And of course, it may not be on the correct layer. Well, it created a layer for that particular one, so we don't have to worry about that. Each time it creates its own layer. So we go to Easy Gadgets, line type, and we use the divided line. And here we get a requester. It wants to know the layer name, and we're going to use divider line, and how many segments. We're going to change this to 8 segments and go say OK to that. Now, the original line is highlighted, so all I have to do is hit the delete key on the keyboard. And there's the new line that was created. We do the same thing for the next one, which is the dotted line. Go to line type maker, dotted line. Okay, it's got a requester also for the layer name, the dot size, and the spacing of that. We're going to change this to a 1/4 inch spacing, leave it as 80 thousandths for the side. Well, I'm gonna increase this to 100 and create them. And you notice they're very close, but it's still a dotted line. And the original line is highlighted, so all I've got to do is hit the delete key on the keyboard and it's gone. And now we go to gadgets one last time and we go all the way to the bottom of the line maker, which is the hidden line. And it comes up with a dialog also for the layer name and the length of the line segments. And we'll leave it at a 1/4 inch. And the original line is still highlighted, so all we do is hit the delete on the keyboard. And there we have each one of our new lines on their own layer. So there you've seen how to use the Easy Line Type Maker gadget, which consists of 5 different lines creations: the center line, the dash line, the divided line, the dotted line, and the last is the hidden line. So there you have it, folks. Enjoy, and thank you for watching Shark Cut Up CNC.